All right, we are at San Diego, the U.S. Grant. It's a Marriott Autograph Collection. Got a night here. We're using a certificate and how? Check the links below. The credit cards, the offers. And we will card entry. One thing to notice, the card, absolutely nothing on them. That's the first time I've seen that. Zero print, which is kind of cool. So we'll go back here to the door. First of all, everybody here is flipping awesome. You greeted very well, friendly, not overly pampered, but if you want it, you can have it. Give you an overview, then we'll go over everything. Got a closet over here. Got a luggage rack in the back, iron, robe, slippers. Let's check here. You got this area here. Check all these out. I haven't opened these, so I don't know. Just a cabinet to store stuff. Water and hot water kettle, which is nice. And a K-cup. And safe glasses. A little cooler. That's kind of their... you might have to watch that. I don't know. If I do, I'll let you know. The fridge down there is their drinks and stuff that you pay for. So here's the other robe here on the door. Nice big sink. That's nice. I do like that sink. I always like sinks that look like pieces of furniture, tables and stuff. That's nice. Toilet seems low to the ground. Could be me. It seems low to the ground. That's fine. Shower. That's up nice and high, which is very, very nice. Big shower. Mirror. Sorry you have to look at me. Beds. Nice king-size bed. And those are the same height as the bed, the end tables. If you know me, you know I like them in the higher or same height. Stool at the end of the bed, nice table over there. Got a second luggage rack in the corner, which is nice. Chair. And we're right downtown San Diego. Let's take a view here if we can see anything. Here's the ground. Right there, and I'll pan slowly in the room so you can see it. And I'll give you a review on the TV when I'm done to see how the hookup was. But the Marriott's usually aren't too bad, because if you see on there where it says stream, generally has Netflix, YouTube, and all that I watch anyway. So haven't been hooking it up lately. I'll give you the final review later. All right, we're at the front of the hotel here. It's right on Broadway. Kind of noise here, but inside it's totally quiet. Down the street here. Down here. This is the front entrance, but you really do not. You can see here. You really don't come in this entrance. You go. I'll show you the other side where the valet is, and you park your car and get dropped off. We just took an Uber from the airport. Oh, I gotta use my card. There we go. But we just took a Uber from the airport here, and they drop you off at the other side. When you come in, here's the check-in. But like I said, you'll be coming in from that side up to here. Restaurants to the right over here. Nice big area here. The mezzanine floors right there you can get to. Steps right there. Entrances on both sides, but over here there's like a meeting room over there. Elevators are here and here. After hours, the front lobby's closed. You go over to where that gentleman is over there. On the other side of the steps, you'll see where the drop-off area is. ATM, and there's a phone in there. Right there. It's like a tunnel through the building, so you're protected from the weather, which is really nice. Parking is expensive here because you're really downtown Tampa. So Uber if you can find somewhere, or you come in on a train or a bus. But that's the main floor right here. I'll come out here and get a video of the front of everything. Right there. There's the entrance we came in. Okay, we're in the mezzanine floor. There's the lobby. There's the, right over there is where I was saying earlier is the front lobby. But it's a good picture of the chandeliers and everything. You can see the lobby down there. We did eat breakfast this morning right there. Really good. Really, really good. They have French toast. I'm sorry, bread pudding Benedict. Outstanding. Very, very good breakfast. The bread pudding Benedict. I hear the steps coming downstairs. Right above me is where I was standing on the mezzanine. Right there. Literally, it's right above me. There's a ballroom right here. And I think the weight room is right behind us. Don't know how much I'm going to be able to get there because I don't want to take pictures of people working out, but I'll try to get something. Nice big ballroom in here. So, walk down to the end here. Got more ballrooms and stuff down here. It's kind of here. If I can get to the weight room without bugging people, I'll put it on next. Here's the fitness center here. I'm just going to walk down and back real quick. It's a decent sized fitness room here, fitness place. Down there they got some fruit, water, and towels down there.